Let's see how you can get more leads from Google Business Messages. So if your business is already listed on Google, or if you can find your business through Google Maps, then this might actually work for you as well. So let's see how this actually works. So let me share my phone screen over here and show you a demo. So first of all, let's see, this is a Google listing. It says Smartscapes LLC. So it's actually a landscaping company, and it says directions, goals, and also you see an option to chat with the particular business. So this particular chat option will be available only to you when you actually activate the Google Business Messages for your listing. And in this video, I'm going to explain how you can actually combine this Google Business Messages chat with a chatbot to generate leads on automation. So let's see how this actually works in a live demo as well. So first of all, let's me go to the settings over here. So here we actually support this Google Business Messages as well. So let me click on manage over here. So our profile is already verified, so that's why it says your agent has been verified, those kind of things. So here when a particular customer tries to initiate a chat with a business, so let's say when a particular customer tap on this chat button over here, we can actually send a specific welcome message. So here we, for our business, we actually set this welcome message like this, and also you can have your own logo as well. And apart from this, you can also include conversation starters. So I will explain how this actually looks like in a minute. So these are actually predefined buttons which actually helps customers to guide you with them specific kind of offers or flows. And also you can set the locations as well. So if you have multiple locations, you can set multiple locations. So what happens is that when a particular person look for your business through the Google Business, then this particular chat option will be available for them as well. So if your particular business doesn't have a physical location, you can even set using a website as well. So those are the options available over here. And as you see here, for our profile, we actually have two options: schedule a free strategic call and also new customer offer. Let me explain how you can actually set this up over here. So let me delete this one and set this from beginning. So question means let me put as a new customer offer, and here you can actually select an offer as well. So here let me search as a landscaping or something like this. Let me search as landscaping and let me choose this option. So the idea is to offer a particular kind of discount for the new customers who actually request a free quote. So this particular idea can be applied to landscaping businesses. Likewise, you can actually come up with your own offers as well. So let me click save over here. I just saved it. So let me preview this bot over here. So let me show how this actually looks like. So we have to scan this particular QR code over here to test the demo. So let me scan this QR code over here and show you how this actually looks like. So here when I scan this QR code, this is what it looks like. So let me open, so it actually opening a website. So it's actually a launcher, Business Messages Agent launch. So usually customers can actually find your business by Google search or through Google Maps. So just for the demo, I'm going through this path. Just click on launch and it simply open a chat window on the Google Maps app. So it says, hi there, how can I help you today? And it actually present us with the two options. So these two options actually coming from these conversation starters. So here we have only two options. It says schedule a free strategy session and new customer offer. So I'm going to explain how this actually works for the landscaping companies. So I'm going to choose this option, new customer offer, and see what happens. So when I choose this new customer offer, this particular new customer offer is connected to this specific flow which we choose, landscaping new customer code. So when they actually tap on this button, new customer offer, these messages will be sent over there. So let me show how this actually works. So let me zoom this a little bit over here and show you how this actually works. So let me tap on this button, new customer offer, and see what happens. So it should actually send us this kind of message: we are thrilled to have you as a new customer, something like that, as you see. And also it says there's a 15% discount if you're a new customer, and they have to simply request a free quote. So let me tap on this button, free quote. So the free quote button is over here. So let me tap on this button and it should actually start asking customers details. So let's see what happens. So it says, let's provide you with a complimentary landscaping code with 15% new customer discount. What is your name? So let me enter the name as Jim over here. and after that it simply asks for the phone number. So let me enter some random phone numbers over here, and after that it simply asks please share your message or landscaping needs below. So you have to actually explain what kind of landscaping work you actually need the free code for. So let me simply test something like that. So just for the demo, I'm just entering like this, and let's see what happens. And it says we have received your request and our dedicated team is already on the case. Accept a prompt response from us. Your landscaping needs are in the capable hands. So usually what happens is that when a particular customer submit a pre-request code, and as you see here it says auto assign conversation to an admin. So we have this action over here at the end of this particular flow, and by auto assign a conversation to admin, this particular conversation will be automatically assigned to one of these agents listed over here. So I will show that in a minute. So so this particular conversation I have just went through might have assigned to one of these agents over here, and also it actually notify the humans as well. So and also the particular conversation is transferred to the human as well, as you see here. So let me go to the inbox and show you what's over there. So let me go to this omnichannel inbox over here. So we are in this omnichannel inbox, and as you see here we can able to see the exact conversation over here, and the conversation is actually assigned to Henry Allen. So as I mentioned, it will be randomly assigned to one of the agents listed over here, and it's also transferred to the human as well. So if I go to this particular conversation and check the human folder, this particular conversation, Jim and the phone number, those kind of things I submitted over here is in the human folder. And whenever an agent respond to this particular customer through these replies over here, they can actually, let me send a message hi over here, and this is actually sent from the omnichannel inbox, and I will receive the same message in this Google Business Messages as well. So likewise, an agent can jump in any time of the conversation and chat with your customers as well. So this is how you can actually generate more leads from Google Business Messages. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.